Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Hina Fayaz and I'm working right now in Jinnah International Hospital WMC Ahmedabad as a registrar, and that's my team with me. This is Dr. Rabia, she's our senior TMO, Dr. Raja Saab, he's our deputy administrator, and my staff and my junior TMO, Dr. Shaila. So today we had a case. We received a patient in OPD. Her name was Ruxana. She was 31 years old and she was Gravida 3, Para 2 and Alive 2 with previous 2 cesarean sections. Patient was 30 weeks and 3 days pregnant with 5 fetuses on the ultrasound which were diagnosed. Patient has a raised blood pressure of 140 by 100 and she had edema and all the other findings that lead us to the diagnosis of preeclampsia. Along with that, patient had previous 2 cesarean sections, so she was tender also due to extra enlarged abdomen and uterus, and she was in very much pain. So with all the blessings of our seniors, we shifted the patient to the OT and we did the surgery. As I told earlier that it was a previous 2 scars, so it was a difficult surgery due to previous adherence and due to previous multiple abdomen and huge abdomen and all that. It was difficult to handle, and patient had multiple bleeding points because she had a huge abdomen, so it was difficult to handle. But with the blessings of Allah Pak and with the confidence and supervision of our seniors, we did this surgery, Alhamdulillah, successfully, and all the babies are right now in the nursery and they are doing good. And there are 7 babies. They were not 5. We delivered 2 surprise babies, so there was a total number of 7 babies and 4 were males and 3 were females. And they are healthy and active and right now in the ICU, and they are going to be staying in the nursery for further few days, and hopefully their 7 are going to home back inshallah ta'ala. And as far as the patient is concerned, so she's absolutely stable right now in the ward, healthy with stable vitals and everything, and she has been transfused blood. And at the end, I am so thankful